25. Some natural disasters shall take place in certain regions of the world.
And finally, 31. Natural disasters shall occur in many regions of the world, leading to the loss of lives and the destruction of property.
3. Natural disasters such as wildfires, floods, tornadoes, landslides, hurricanes, and many others shall be observed in several regions around the world. These occurrences shall be rampant. Make prayers for the nations of the world.
Now to this tragic news out of the Middle East, and just returning to one of our top stories throughout the day. A recap with more than 4,000, in fact more than 4,300 people now known to have been killed after those devastating quakes close to Turkey's border with Syria. Many buildings in the region have been damaged or destroyed.
In southern Turkey, buildings crumble like sand. Obliterated by some of the worst earthquakes in a century. The first struck before dawn as the country slept. The impact captured on a shop's CCTV, shaking for around 90 seconds. The terror and scale of the damage revealed with the light. The number trapped beneath the rubble is unknown. The death toll is rising, and the aftershocks keep coming. A second 7.6 quake rocked the center of the country, making the rescue efforts even more dangerous.
There was an aftershock of, more than 6 points magnitude, and it did cause a certain extra damage, not just only hampering the rescue efforts. Because I did see on my way, this is my second visit here, some of the buildings that were that looked fine before were also damaged.
The earthquake was incredibly powerful, unleashing widespread destruction without warning. A force so intense, it wiped out history in seconds. This 2,000-year-old castle among the wreckage.
Bu gece saat
At 4:17 a.m. we experienced the worst disaster of the century since the 1939 Erzincan earthquake. The earthquake, whose epicenter was in Paracuk in Kahramanmaraş and had a magnitude of 7.7, as per the latest estimates, was felt in a very broad region.
Survivors are being found. Here, a child is pulled from the rubble. The next 48 hours are critical for saving as many lives as possible.
The weather is making the situation even more dangerous for those still trapped. Rain, sleet and snow are slowing down rescuers, with temperatures expected to drop below zero in the coming hours.
Dozens of countries have already pledged aid. The UK is sending 76 search and rescue specialists with dogs and equipment. For survivors, time is now the greatest threat.